Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Hyundai Santa Fe SLX, stock reference number 5038. This shape runs from the 11th month 2009 through to the 6th month 2012. There's a D4EB 6 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. D4EB 6 2.2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine with the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror. Left front door has one small dent, left rear door also has one small dent. Left rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear, 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has 3 small dents, as does the right front door. Right power door mirror, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, twin headlight, sunglass holder type, left sun visor, right sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.